Look at that tornado going up in the smoke. We got a busy day on the homestead today. We have a lot planned that we're going to get to on our checklist. The first is going to be going over to the hayfield that we actually bush hogged. If you missed that video, I'll link it in the description below, and also probably tag it at the end of this video so you can be sure to check that out. We're going to go over, we have some saplings that are coming up. We want to bush hog those down before we actually cut this field of hay, and you can see the progress.
Okay, we're over here at the hayfield that we used a loader on there last fall, and we reseeded. The cedar piles that we have behind us here, they're good and dried up, but it's been so rainy here lately, haven't had a chance to burn them, so we contacted the local authorities and got permission to go ahead and burn these, so that's what we're going to do right now.
Today's the day. The babies are going up. Exciting to give us some more pasture here.
Yeah,
because we got, how many do you think we got? Three
what, piles?
Yeah,
we got 3 piles to burn. It's kind of hard to tell in the video how big they are, but there's a lot of trees in those piles, so it's going to be a pretty good sized fire. In the meantime, I'm going to stay over here with the fire, and I'm going to bush hog some of these saplings down in the hayfield, and we're going to figure out what kind of fertilizing. We kind of like to do natural fertilizing, but we'll see what we can do. Ashley can take you around the hayfield here a little bit, and you guys can see the new grass that has grown. And I'm going to go ahead and light these fires.
I'm going to go ahead and, like Justin said, show you around the field here, and I want to show you the before when we were bush hogging it, and I'll put it down in the lower corner or up in the top, wherever it fits best, so you can see the before and after together and what a difference that actually the bush hogging did for us.
Yeah, we can probably shoot our drone over here too after a while and kind of show you what's going on.
Oh yeah, that's right, we did do the drone last time. That would be really good.
Yeah.
Yep, that'd be great.
That'll be the plan.
I just want to add that these actions are performed by professionals or not professionals. Please do not attempt this at home. Please use safety and precaution when doing such things, and contact local authorities. So here is the saplings. You can kind of see them poking out, at least I think you can. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Maybe, I don't know. There's one. The field is just right here. We got these coming up. These are those big thorn ones. Got a bunch of these tree saplings coming in. He's going to go ahead and bush hog. I'll show you the grass. All this was bush hogged. See, there's another pile there. Look at all that great grass coming in down there. Just got to get these saplings out to have a good pasture. Look at that tornado going up in the smoke. That was neat.
got the field here bush hogged. Got the saplings knocked down in the field. Got the fires going here behind us. Burn them down as much as we can. I was looking around the field and there's just not a whole lot of clover in the grass here. So we decided we're going to use some urea pellets this year and see if we can get some hay established. So we've kind of run a little bit low on hay. So this field here is about 6 acres, so it ought to yield a pretty good amount of hay. I'm very happy with the grasses that came up from our last video. When you seen this field, it was all just cleaned off and down to dirt, and we threw a bunch of seed down last fall, and as you can tell, it's really come back pretty good. But yeah, we're just put all that minerals and stuff right back in the soil up here, and we'll plant some more seed. And we burnt another fire down here, so that'll add some mineral down in that way. And we'll just take the drag harrow and kind of get that cleaned up and just smoothed out. We'll throw some more seed down. That's the plan. I was bush hogging there, and I backed up and I ran into a big pile of rocks. So we got a few rocks and stuff to pick up in the field. You know, we don't want to be hitting these with our disc mower, so it's always bad news. So we'll work on getting a few of those things going, and we'll get the fertilizer down, and we'll watch the grass grow. Just wanted to share this beautiful day with you guys and a chore we needed to get done over here on the hayfield. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please comment below.
That's right, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. We're going to be posting more of our daily lives here on the homestead, so make sure you hit the subscribe and also the like button and the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one, guys.
Yep. God bless you.
God bless.